The Flipper Zero community is massive, with thousands of us sharing awesome projects and discoveries every single day. But let's be real, we're scattered all over the place. A dozen Discord servers, countless forum threads, and separate chat groups. What if there was one spot to find just where other Flipper fans are? I'm Jay Blank, and today I'm excited to show you an app that I think is a fantastic first step. It's an app I created called FlipMap. It's available right now, and it was built to give us a bird's eye view of our global community. Before we dive into the app, let's talk about the problem it was designed to solve. The Flipper Zero is more than just a tool. It's a platform built on community ideas. A huge part of its power comes from custom firmware, user-made apps, and shared knowledge. The official mobile app is awesome for managing your device, but it isn't really built to be a social hub. This leaves us trying to piece together solutions. We use Discord for live chats, GitHub for code, and forums for deep discussions. While I've created apps like Flip Social for live chatting and direct messaging, the community still remains fragmented across these different platforms. Trying to find out if there are any users nearby for a local meetup is almost impossible. This fragmentation is a huge pain, especially for newcomers who have no idea where to even start looking. This is the exact problem that FlipMap begins to solve, acting as a dedicated place to see how many Flipper users are in which country and city. So how do you get this new app? Finding and installing FlipMap is super easy. You can find it right on the official Flipper Lab portal on your computer or in the apps section of the Flipper mobile app. Just search FlipMap and it will bring it right up. Make sure your Flipper is connected and then click install. The UI is minimum, lightweight, and fast, which is exactly what you want on the Flipper screen. To get started, you'll need a Wi-Fi dev board, a BW16, Raspberry Pi, or another ESP32 device flashed with Flipper HTTP. Registration is straightforward. You go to settings and then click username and fill out your username, and then click user password to fill out your password. This uses the same credentials as the Flip Social, Flip World, and Free Roam apps. And by default, location is set to disabled. Change this to enable to allow other Flipper users to see your general location. And if your location is enabled, you'll get a warning to let you know. So what does FlipMap actually do? The core feature is incredibly simple and powerful. It shows you a list of countries sorted by the number of registered Flipper users in each one. And if you click right, you can see a breakdown of users by city. It's a real-time census of the Flipper Zero community, showing you exactly where the hotspots of activity are around the globe. It's not a full-blown social media network, but it's the crucial first step. It answers the question, is anyone out there? Once you discover there are dozens of users in your area, you can take the next step and actually connect with them using the companion app Flip Social. Since both apps were built to work together, they use the exact same credentials, making it seamless to go from discovery to conversation. But FlipMap is the discovery tool that makes it all possible. It's less of a chat app and more of a compass for finding your people. Now that the app is live, the big question is whether FlipMap can really fix the community's fragmentation problem. The potential is definitely there by providing a simple, data-driven view of where users are. It removes the biggest barrier to forming local groups. Imagine discovering you're not the only Flipper fan in your town, but one of 30. That knowledge alone could inspire someone to start a local Discord server or organize a meetup on Flip Social. However, the app's success completely depends on one thing: user adoption. A map with no one on it isn't very helpful. As a brand new app, it's a blank state. It needs us, the community, to jump on board and put our cities on the map. The foundation is solid, the feature is relevant and solves a real problem that official apps and scattered online groups haven't quite addressed. It lays the groundwork for a more connected and localized community. So, what's the final verdict on FlipMap? It's a simple and powerful tool. It's the kind of dedicated discovery layer for the Flipper Zero ecosystem that we've desperately needed. It isn't a jack of all trades, it's a focused app designed to answer one question: where is the community? I am actually excited to see where this app goes. It has the potential to become an essential tool for every Flipper Zero owner who wants to feel like part of a larger network. FlipMap is real and it's ready to be used. The more of us who get on board, the more likely it is that we can build the connected local communities we've always wanted. But now I want to hear from you. What is the very first thing you would do if you found out there were other Flipper users in your city? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Jay Blanked. Make sure to subscribe for more Flipper HTTP content. Thanks for watching. Peace.